Today on Good to Know, more free ways for our associates to leverage the tools on our site to help you generate more leads and close more deals. But first, I want to thank those who commented on the segment about our Waze ads for mega open house events. Michelle Brooks commented, "This is awesome. Love that we have so many tools to promote properties for our sellers." And Cassandra Hardiman wrote, "Wow, this is why I love this company. Totally cool." We're excited about this initiative too, and we know it will keep driving people to your mega open houses. We had 250,000 impressions, and over 100 people selected the navigation option to go see the open house. Now on to today's segment about leveraging our tools. Our first topic is lead generation. We have many great options to help generate leads. They include e-campaign platforms and print marketing partnerships. Our company is the leader in corporate relocation, and we provide company-generated leads to our e-teams. Our advanced listing syndication exposes our listings to over 40,000 websites, more than any other brokerage. This listing syndication includes a variety of unique partnerships, including Zillow, Realtor.com, Wall Street Journal, the International MLS, Luxury Real Estate, DuPont Registry, and the Financial Times of London. We reach over 900 million potential buyers in China with our strategic relationships with Juwai and Tencent. This extensive exposure provides the best opportunity to attract the right buyers for our listings. And best yet, all the leads generated from these searches are sent directly to our listing agents. The Cole Realty Resource Database is a powerful geographic farming tool and will help you identify prospects, including contact information. Are you looking for someone's email address or cell phone number? Try looking them up in Cole Realty Resource. Our buy-side platform is a computerized match generated in real estate heaven. This program matches buyers and sellers. All you have to do is input your coming soon listings in buy-side and enter your buyer's information and search criteria. Sellers love this program because it shows home value estimates as well as the number of active buyers looking for property like theirs right now. What have you got to lose? Give it a try. You will be glad you did. Our market report videos, monthly newsletters, and monthly market trends provide excellent information to keep consumers informed. Our exclusive lender report shows property valuations that are used by mortgage providers. That is great insight for a seller to know what the buyer's mortgage company would see. Mega open house events. Nobody does mega open houses like we do. Our extensive advertising includes digital billboards able to reach 10 million eyeballs, Zillow ads, Facebook, Instagram, and Google ads, and now Waze ads for our mega open houses. The paperless registration on Spacio simplifies the registration process, provides social insights to the hosting agent, and automates the follow-up process. Our Mega Open House event is the most comprehensive advertising program in the nation, and best yet, it's free to our agents. Finally, there are our strategic relationships with world-renowned coaches and trainers. We have a comprehensive partnership with the Tom Ferry organization that includes the Bill Pipe Sales Edge, Team Strategies with Debbie Holloway, Lead Generation and Business Planning with Jeff Mays, Breakthrough by Design Coaching, and quarterly video conferences with Tom Ferry himself. We're excited to announce that Tom Ferry will be flying to Atlanta in August to share his valuable insight in an exclusive event for our company. We also have partnerships with David Knox, Buffini & Company, Mike Ferry, and more. All have a unique approach and offer an extensive range of coaching and training services. As always, we are making sure our agents have the latest tools so you can remain industry leaders. Now that's good to know.